Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Seung-gi and Bang Min-young's fortune harmony analysis. I analyzed the fortune of Seung-gi and Bang Min-young. I analyzed it at the request of a YouTube subscriber. I'm analyzing the applications in order, so please wait a little bit. I'm working hard because I have so much fortune to analyze. The two of them have good student-like qualities. Let's analyze it together. Seung-gi and Bang Min-young are putting together letters pointing to themselves. Two letters are letters that they like each other when they meet. Seung-gi is the sea. Bang Min-young is a candle. But candlelight also means heat in light or heat. Cold seawater can make various changes to ice, steam, and water by embracing heat. And just below the letter pointing to themselves is their perception of a spouse. Seung-gi recognizes her as a leading spouse. Bang Min-young recognizes and cares for her spouse as a cute and lovely person. I think these two are good sides. As you know, Seung-gi has a very good flow of energy, and in the midst of freedom and fun, there is a side that tries to keep their own discipline like a mother student. Seung-gi is an interesting and leadership mother student, and there are letters that support and the real spouse, so he is very good to his spouse. Bang Min-young is that the flow of energy is rapid, which means that the change of thought is quick and smart. Therefore, there are some sensitive parts, but she is very obedient and exemplary. Their pursuit of an exemplary life is the common thing in common. As an entertainer, moral aspects are being emphasized more and more, and they have good conditions. But Bang Min-young doesn't have any letters that correspond to her real spouse. It's probably at the location marked ? Born time. There's no way that such a beautiful woman doesn't have a spouse. And Bang Min-young is very peaceful in every life, but she is also very competitive that she will never lose in social life. I can give them 85%, although their fortunes are similar and different. I'd like to give them a higher score, but the flow of their energy is slightly different. But if Bang Min-young has a letter corresponding to her husband's ? I can raise the score later. I wish them a good health and everything they do. This analysis only saw the fortune harmony at the request of the subscriber, although I don't know their true relationship. Do you have any other misunderstanding? Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.